Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by unboxing your smartwatch and removing protective films carefully. Place the watch on the magnetic charger and charge to 100% for 2 hours. Keep the watch within 3.5 inches of your phone when pairing to ensure a stable Bluetooth connection. Open the watch app on your phone and follow on-screen pairing steps. Create or sign into your account using a secure password and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Accept permissions for notifications, contacts, and location to enable full functionality. Wake the watch by tapping the screen or pressing the side button once. Swipe left or right to access widgets and apps on the watch face and explore pre-installed options. Press and hold the side button to access power and emergency options if needed. Use the crown or swipe up to open quick settings and adjust brightness, volume, and do not disturb mode quickly. Customize watch faces by long pressing the face and selecting complications that show steps and battery percentage. Sync time and language from the phone to keep displays consistent across devices. Open the Health app on the watch to enable heart rate and sleep monitoring in the watch health settings. Set step goals such as 10,000 steps and view progress on the widget each day. Calibrate the GPS by taking a 5-minute outdoor walk while carrying your phone for accurate distance tracking. Customize notification permissions in the phone app to choose which apps can alert your watch. Install apps from the phone app store and manage app notifications and watch storage to keep performance optimized over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.